What are you doing here?
We're walking.
Walking and...
Walking and talking.
What do you think is the problem of our society?
Baturan calamity.
Do you like the idea of us having no exam today?
Yes.
Why?
I just love it.
Favorite movie?
Favorite movie. Ang katungkuan. Sige, ito. Ito, pangitan-aw ba? Ito, tanawa na sa name mo. Naman to.
Man. Hindi ko na rin naalala.
Tumba, iba nga na siya sa swamp.
Ay, katong na siya. Katong... Crow, ba ito? Where the crow dads sing?
Where the crowded sing. Yeah.
Wow. What
And the handmaiden.
Wow.
Ito na ang handmaiden.
Wala pa. Favorite horror movie?
Favorite horror movie. From. It's not a movie man, pero yeah, my favorite series. Dayon.
Are you afraid of this kind of place?
No,
Why?
I like this kind of place.
Why?
It's like it's a peace of mind.
Isisend ko to sa KMGS gabi ng lagim.
Ito na ang barang wala na yung agyanan.
I know you belong to someone,
Nadlo
but
ka?
I know.
Nadlo ka, Chuy?
Wala.
Don't please.
Cause you're here.
I'm here.
Tapos pagtanaw kay Diday si Erika ba? Oh my God! Nakakot dagan ka ko.